Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Docker version and that the daemon is active. Once done, create a minimal Docker file and include libcap2bin so you can use setcap inside the image. You will also decide the exact capability you need. For example, capnetraw for raw sockets. Choose the smallest privilege that works. Now build the image locally with docker build tmikapimage and be ready to apply setcap to the binary you want elevated. You now modify the Docker file to copy the executable into a stable path. During the build, run setcap capnet admin plus ep/usr/local/bin/mydul so the kernel recognizes the capability on that file. This is why libcap2bin is required. Once the image builds, run getcap/usr/local/bin/mydul to verify the capability bit. Make sure to avoid granting broad capabilities. Keep them targeted. If getcap shows nothing, you run the container, preferably as a non-root user, and provide only necessary runtime flags. Docker run rm capad equals net admin mykapimage. Once running, execute the privileged binary and observe behavior. If it fails, make sure the file system supports file capabilities. Noksec or some overlays issues can strip them. Verify seccomp or AppArmor policies are not blocking, and recheck setcap output during build. If needed, add security opt seccomp equals unconfined temporarily to isolate the issue, and then tighten policies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.